Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Google Drive with Basecamp step by step. Connecting Google Drive to Basecamp makes it easier to share documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other files with your team without uploading duplicate copies. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Basecamp account and open the project where you want to use Google Drive files. Then navigate to the section where you want to share a document, such as docs and files, a message board post, a to-do, or a campfire conversation. Next, click the option to attach a file, add attachment, or insert link, depending on your Basecamp version. If Google Drive integration is available, choose Google Drive from the list of file sources. Now sign in to your Google account if you're prompted and grant Basecamp permission to access your Google Drive files. These permissions allow you to browse and select documents directly from your Drive without downloading them first. After authorization, browse your Google Drive, select the file you want to share, and click Attach, Insert, or Select. The file will be linked or attached to your Basecamp project, making it easy for team members with the proper permissions to access the latest version. Finally, verify that the file opens correctly and confirm that your Google Drive sharing settings allow the intended team members to view or edit the document if necessary. And that's it. You now know how to integrate Google Drive with Basecamp and share cloud-based files more efficiently with your team. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.